Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So we are in Dollar Tree. Why do I feel like we've seen these before? Yeah, they were here last year. But I'm walking up on some fall decor. So let's see. Let's browse through and see if they have anything new. I see some mushrooms. The garland. And you know these tags is because, somebody asked me. Those tags are to put different prices on them. So everything may not be $125. The Halloween stuff, they're not quite finished with everything yet. We'll definitely come back when they finish. I'll get more stuff. That fall sign, this fall sign. Fall. Pick your own apples. Pick your own pumpkin. This is apples. What's the green and white one back there? Autumn is falling. Leaves are falling. Pick your own apple. Autumn is calling. This is cute. Welcome. Fall. Hello, fall. There's home and fall. Bless our home. Happy fall, y'all. Nothing more pleasing than pumpkin season. Fall into autumn. Hey there, pumpkin. Happy pumpkin season. Welcome to our patch. Hey there, pumpkin. Welcome to our patch. Let's see if there's any more. It looks like the only 3. There's the pumpkin pie. Harvest Classic. There's also apple cider and an apple pie. Autumn skies and pumpkin pies, pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. Meet me at the pumpkin patch. Fall is in the air. The mason jars. Oh my gourd. Pumpkin patch, hay rides, autumn breeze and fallen leaves. Fresh apple cider, sweet apples, brown sugar, whole cloves, cinnamon, and autumn leaves and pumpkin, please. I'm a fall kind of girl. I have a little leaf detailing. This one is cute. Pumpkin pie, ground cloves, pumpkin puree, ground nutmeg, cinnamon, and sugar. This year I want to go to the pumpkin patch and make some apple pies from scratch. What's that one? Okay, same one. They have these right here. The jars. Tabletop decor. So there's fall, sweet fall. Welcome to the pumpkin patch. Hello, pumpkin. Fall, sweet fall. And the third one is where? Let's see. Can I get it without knocking everything over? Uh-oh. Oh, that popped right back in good. Hello, pumpkin. And there's Happy Harvest with the mushroom. Pumpkin spice. The mug. Harvest pumpkin spice. Be thankful. and Hello Autumn. I like the colors on this Hello Autumn. It's cute. Pretty, pretty. Some pumpkins. Oh, they say $1.50. Big old sign like don't get it twisted. This stuff is $1.50. Look at these pumpkins. Thankful. What did that one say? Thankful, thankful. Some more tabletop. Uh-oh. What am I pulling? What am I doing? Okay, there's welcome. Thankful. With the leather. This is a little leather patch. And grateful. I just think these are so cute. I hope I didn't throw mine away from last year. I probably cleaned up and threw them away. It's pumpkin spice and everything nice. Pumpkin spice. The travel cup. Oh, fall sweet fall. And that one is a cute farm fresh hot cider. Give thanks. It's like a 3D type of effect. So there's give thanks. Thankful and grateful. The blue one is thankful and grateful. That's cute. That's a cute color combination. I'm wearing green today. And this blue one. Harvest your blessings. And some more pumpkins and the table covers. I mean the chair covers. That's it. Now we're going back into summer over here. Pretty much looked at this section the last time. If y'all missed that video, it was probably the one right before this one. Y'all make sure y'all go back and check that out because we saw all of that stuff. But these pillows are new. Right here. 5. There's also a mushroom. And the cup. Pumpkin latte. What is this? Some jelly eye mask. Vitamin C brightening and caffeine depuffing. I'm definitely getting this because I want this. The strawberries and cream limited edition. Oh, it's only one? Oh, okay. Yeah, these are mine. I'm gonna leave some for other people though. And look at these. These were in the door as I walked in. The creepy plants for $3. But I think that's gonna be the end of our shopping trip. I'm gonna grab these little pimple patches. Riley swears she has pimples, but I like the fact that they're making your body changing normal. The girl don't know nothing about a pimple. She just wants to put these things on her face, which is okay. I'm all right with that. Start your self-care early. I'm gonna grab this stuff though. And I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out the description box for more information. And I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, y'all. So I popped into a second Dollar Tree just to see what they have. Well, this is actually my third Dollar Tree. But the second one didn't have anything. So let's check this stuff out. Look at this. Those are cute. Little turkeys. There's not much in here, so that's why I'm not going to do a whole separate vlog. I'm going to just put this right behind the Dollar Tree we just left. There's those. There's these pumpkins. And these pumpkins with the sweaters. And look at those little baskets. Scarecrows. Some of the wall decor. A leaf. The orange pumpkin and the leaf. Onions. love fall. And then she has a pie. It's the pumpkins. More clip-on pumpkins. Those were here last year, but we brought them back. The garland. More of the bows. The garland, the burlap leaves. Pumpkin patch, the turkey, the scarecrow. Some of the LED lights. More pumpkins and acorns. The door hangers. Let's see. Can I get to this one right here? Can I get to it? Yeah, the sunflower. Fall is in the air. Gather together. More scarecrows. And more Halloween DIY. Let's see. We saw all of the signs and stuff in the first one, but then here's the stakes. They didn't fill them up yet in the previous one. A tier tray. Look at the spider. The jars. Mist maker lighted cauldron. These are 5. Set of 2 inflatable eyes. A skeleton, the ghost, and a pumpkin. Bringing those signs back. Plush hat and glove sets. And we saw these before. And we just have the pillows down here again. Look at the mats. Welcome. Welcome fall. Happy fall, y'all. Ooh, they're heavy when they all together. They're light but heavy all together. Oh, these are 3. Ink and Boo. And some more lights. Boo pumpkins. Black UV LED light. The what's that? Bats, spiders. 20 decorative string lights. These socks are so cute. They have the ring pop for 5. Jolly Ranchers. These. Twizzlers. I like the pinks on these. The Monopoly. There's Sour Patch, Eggo, Doritos, Pepsi, Dr. Pepper, Hot Tamales, Eggos, Cheez-It Airheads, macaroni and cheese, Frosted Flakes, Hot Tamales, there's Elvis, Ace Ventura When Nature Calls, York Peppermint Patty, Swedish Fish, Chips Ahoy. Those cute bags. PMS naturally helps relieve pain and other PMS symptoms and recover. Naturally helps relieve stress of life. these bath fizzers. Ocean Breeze and Peach Scented. Alright, that's it for this Dollar Tree. I just wanted to come over here and see if they had any new dinnerware. I don't see any. Hope y'all enjoy it once again, and I'll see y'all in the next one.